Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Durango GT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, integrated center stack radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.